Yo, the bike might sound a little different today because I was rushing today and I forgot. But running late because of Nate. Running late because of Nate, but nah, I'm kidding. I'm true. We're about to go and meet up with the other guys. We'll be here at the 7-Eleven. We'll be over at the 7-Eleven, not here. We got Ring with us. We got Monica and they got a new car, so you know, there's that.
Shitbox.
We're gonna go ahead and head out. Well, in the meantime, that we're on the way there, right? Y'all gonna watch something real quick. Y'all gonna film me. Y'all gonna right in here. There's gonna be a little snippet of something. You feel me? So I'm gonna see y'all. After y'all watch that, we're gonna be with the guys. All right? 3, 2. All right.
Alright, today we back for me. Well, it's not Cool Kid from IRL no more. It's Reem from IRL. You feel me?
Ask me the name of the channel just to change the name of the channel.
I just want to make sure it wasn't already Reem from IRL, you know? Reem.
Alright, whatever. I
That's
guess.
my name right there.
Job easier, whatever.
Alright, so look. Did y'all enjoy the last clip that
What we doing today?
Got the sun there.
I know the name. I'm just glitching.
Yeah, that gotta work. Oh, the voice note. You gotta say, oh, wait, I got you.
Some real God things happen, you feel me?
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. Right, word.
I don't know if we're gonna be like an actual vlog since I forgot my mic. So it might be like, I might probably vlog in there, but it's probably gonna be more like a cinematic shit. I'm gonna let Nate do his thing.
Flashback.
Yo, this sun is hitting me. Hold on, I'm looking good. Anyways, I have no idea how this video is gonna go. Been not neglecting this car. I just know that I have been neglecting you guys from this car because I haven't said a word about what's been going on with Toothless. I know y'all been wanting to know what's going on with Toothless. I don't know what vlog this is gonna get put into. I don't know if it's gonna be like on a. If you're watching it, this is the LZ World tour vlog for sure. This is where it's gonna go. This is gonna be like a little snippet of what's going on. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm giving a shout out to the people at Max Speed and Rods. Feel me? Because you know, actually I know they helped us out with the Accord, right? They helped us out with the Accord. They put the coilovers on the Accord, but now they're hooking us up. Wait, feel me? They got the box right there. Now they're hooking us up. Hold on. They're hooking us up with a set of. You see that? What that look like? That look like injectors, right? Hold on. They're hooking us with a set of GTR injectors. You know what I mean? They helped us out when we put the Accord on coilovers. This don't need a coilover because you know I see this shit is slammed. I already have coilovers on this. We got Azira's with us doing the box covers. Look, listen, this is kind of scripted. I already showed y'all this. Listen, it wasn't recording, whatever. Look, the fucking thing, it's in there. It's in there, bitch. It's in there. But it's okay. That's why we have another motor in the backyard. Feel me? We're gonna take these coilover valve covers off, and there's a lot of parts in here. If y'all can see, hold on. Look, wait, can't. Wait, hold on. Y'all can't see. Y'all can't fucking see. Y'all can't see. Hold on, I'll show y'all. Look at this motherfucker. Look at the mess in this bitch. I got parts everywhere. Parts everywhere. This is what was in there. This is going in the garbage. I don't even care about that bitch. So, like I was saying, we got GTR injectors. We got valve covers, brand new valve covers, the metal valve covers. Like I was saying, before that I told y'all. Hold on. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Give me a second, guys. Without dropping the injectors. I ain't gonna drop the injectors. Hold on. Alright, so look. These valve covers, these are the metal valve covers, right? Nazir already dropped this. See the scratch? Nazir dropped it already. But look, the metal valve covers, right? On the regular stock valve covers, on the BQs, these, that's for the spark plugs. They tend to leak into the thing. But these valve covers, you can take these out and change them. So that's the good thing about that. Instead of having to buy a whole brand new valve cover set, you know what I'm saying? That's besides the point. We're gonna go ahead. Shout out to Masking Rods. If y'all want shit from Masking Rods, down in the description, there's going to be a code there, you know, Gabe, you know, you get 10-20% off. I don't remember. I think it's 10% off. Feel me? I got so many parts in here. Yo, if one of y'all want a cross member for a 350Z, let me know. I have a 350Z cross member right there, brand new, never used. Obviously, I can't use it. I tried to give it to Jay, but he don't want it. Another thing that I have to tell you, this car got towed the other day, right? And guess what the fuck these bitches did? They towed the car, whatever. It didn't have plates on it, whatever. I'm not mad about it. It is what it is. There's plates on the car now, so I'm not worried about that no more. But these motherfuckers towed the car, right? I went to the spot to go look at the car. I'm gonna put a picture of when I went to go pick up the car at the tow yard. Look, went to pick up the car. Man, I opened the hood. I said, see something wrong. See if I can see right there, right? How the hose is leaning against. First of all, this shit is dusty. There's spiders living in here and shit. This car hasn't been touched. So that I'm pretty sure there's like, when we take this shit off, there's gonna be a colony of spiders somewhere.
Let's hope not, because I don't like spiders.
Anyways, I looked at it. I'm like, yo, Nazir, something's wrong. So what happened? I'm like, something's wrong. You see how the hose is touching the power steering thingamajiggy? He was like, the car, the AC compressor thing. He was like, yeah. I went over here, I did this. And then as I do this, I'm like, oh shit, it's not here. Then I look here. They fucked up the rat support. Now I gotta get a brand new rat support. You see that? You see that? It's not supposed to do that. It's cracked all the way down. And it also fucked up the bumper. Look. Look. Fucked my shit up. My shit was good. Look, my shit was perfectly aligned like this. They fucked it. Also, don't worry, those are the drift wheels. Don't worry about the wheels. Don't worry about that. I got wheels for the shit already. But we're gonna get to moving on this. And I don't know. Alright, so I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this properly, right? I need y'all to be able to see in that motherfucker. Okay, yeah, now I need some light. Let me see your phone real quick, cause I need y'all to see what. Alright, so y'all see this one, right? So y'all see that one, right? See how you could kind of see the spark plug at the top, like the top of the spark plug, but you could still see oil down there. Like you could see that there's a pool of oil down there, right? Wait till you see this last one, bro. Wait. Wait. It's hard. Okay. Okay. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that in there? How like you can't see the spark plug? You know why you can't see the spark plug, bro? Because everything that you see in there is oil. All of that is oil. It's full oil. I took the spark plug out. I took this out, the tube out. Look at it. Look how drenched this tube is. Look at it. Lordy Lord. Man. I got no words. We're just gonna go ahead and continue. Alright, so look. Here's what I'm about to show you right now. Hold on, look. The same valve cover, right? Same one as that one. Move that over a little bit. So, let me see. Yeah, put it the same way. All right. Now you see why one is interchangeable and the other one isn't. Because we can take these out and just swap it out. This one, assholes, they could have done the same thing, but they decided that, you know what? Fuck y'all. We're gonna make y'all buy new valve covers. So, if I can see from the outer gasket it's a little cooked on the side, on the corners. A little cooked, not crazy. It wasn't leaking from the sides, but here's the tubes right here. This is the driver's side tubes. And here, it doesn't look too bad in here. This shit's kind of clean. But as you can see, some of these shits have oil on it. Well, that one's clean. Look, that first one right there, oil. That one right there, kind of clean. So, I'm gonna show you why there's oil on that first one. Because this goes to the front like this. So that first one that has oil, that one right here that has oil, is this one right here. Let me fix the sun so y'all can see. Hold it right here like this. Can I see it real quick? Look, see the gasket right there? See the rip? Look. This is why there's oil. This one's about to start leaking too. Oh, look. Look. All of them. Look. Look. This is why when y'all need spark plug for you VQs guys, that y'all keep getting oil in your spark plug tubes, this is why. Go for the metal one. This shit is only $150. I'm telling ya. You're gonna waste this amount of money on buying spark plugs and cleaning them tubes out, and it's never gonna get better. Now we gotta take off the, well, we're gonna put this side in first. We got silicone over there. It's in the passenger seat. I'm gonna put some silicone around this one, put this one back in it, and then do the other side. And then put everything back together. But this is why. Get rid of this bullshit. Alright, so I left for 2 seconds to go get, we got the cars outside today. Alright, so I left for 2 seconds to go get this. Because Nasir got the wrong one last time.
No. Gabe got the wrong one.
So, he's been cleaning up the edges and shit like that. So now all...
Oh shit. I took it off.
Oh, you took it off? Oh, I'm about to say, I'm like, what? So, wait, actually, let me see that now. Now I gotta see, like, how bad is it? Huh?
So it's here, and then it stops there. And then under here is where it broke.
Oh, they broke it down there completely. Because when they picked it up, the fucking car. And then from right here, it stopped right there. Because I was thinking, putting it through this hole right here, right? Just to like...
I'm gonna drill for right now, just a regular drill, and do some zip ties to hold it.
To hold it?
And then I'll get it.
Because like if you lift it up, right? You see the hole right here? Mm-hmm. Can go into...
I was thinking to wrap it around here for now and push it through here, like hold it up.
Maybe. We just gotta make sure it's in the thing at the bottom.
Yeah. Well, that's
it's broken.
Yeah.
Never mind. Anyways. Oh, and it broke over there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Right here.
Oh, I didn't see that. I was like,
nah, dude, right here. That shit's all fucked up. When we take this shit off, this shit gotta go too.
Street faction.
Yeah. I seen it the other day. I was like, ah. But anyways, we're just gonna keep going. We're almost done. We just gotta put this shit back at it. It's another like 2 hours or so.
Not even. You know how easy it is.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna clean it up, put the silicone on it, And then first I gotta bolt on the little thingies machiggies on the other one. Like it came with, so basically right, all these on the new ones, bolts on, they have like little bolts for it, like right there. See right there, it has a little bolt for this one right here. So I just gotta get the new one for that and bolt it on. And then I gotta transfer like shit like these and shit like that from this side to that side. But yeah, they're all right there, and I'm just gonna start doing that shit right now. I don't know if y'all gonna keep seeing it or what's happened. Probably y'all gonna see the finished product, but because this is going to the LZ vlog that we're going to in 2 weeks. So I'm talking to y'all from the past when y'all seen this video. Like this is behind from the when we went to the LC. So we are doing a little bit of time traveling here. All right. Love you guys and enjoy the video. All right. Alright, so look, so that shit was fire. Every time we come here, we have a great time. Every time, every trip. I didn't really do a vlog today because obviously I didn't have a mic and shit, so it was gonna be bad complicated. So I decided to do like a short cinematic video-ish with the preview that y'all saw in the beginning. Well, y'all already saw about the G35 in the beginning, and then we're about to go get some food. We're gonna have more shit. We're gonna have more stuff to do throughout the McCartney. Just sitting there like this. We're gonna have more shit to do throughout the. I think next thing we're probably gonna be doing is Bear Mountain. Bear Mountain is going to be May 17th. But yeah, I don't even know what to do. I might just catch out on that one. Alright, make sure you do shit like, comment, subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye.